Welcome to this video. In this video, you're going to learn how to build high quality backlinks for your site. If this is your first time watching my video, I make videos on blogging tips, backlinks, just like the one you're watching right now, and how to make money online. So subscribe to this channel to get notification whenever I make new videos. So back to the video on creating high quality backlinks for your site. But before I show you the site we are going to use to create high quality backlinks for your site, let me illustrate something to you. This site I'm about to use, this site we're going to use to create high quality backlinks for your site will help to index your blog posts. If your blog posts have not been indexed, the site I will share with you will help you to index it, also increase DA, increase ranking and traffic, and lastly you get free backlinks to your site. Another thing is, before you start building backlinks to your site, make sure you have done on-page SEO for your site before you start building backlinks to your site. For that backlinks to be effective, do on-page SEO for your site. On-page SEO consists of doing keyword research before you write article, then optimize the article, then make sure the article you have written has internal links to other related articles on your blog, and lastly, make sure you link to the most important posts on your site. You link more to the most important posts on your site. This will help that site to do well on search engine result page. And also on page SEO, you need to optimize your own page category and tags by putting description on these pages. Then also domain name. If you have not bought a new site or you are planning to start a site, to rank fast on Google, you need to include the keyword. You need to include keyword in your domain name. Then lastly, technical SEO did mostly with your site speed. You need to optimize your website for site speed. Then after you've done that, you talk about building links to your site. Make sure the link you are building to your site, you're not just building one type of link to your site. Make sure build all type of link to your site. This will make your link profile look natural. Build profile links, image, video, audio. If you're looking for any of these links, I've made videos and I've written articles on audio, video, image, social marketing sites you can use to build backlinks to your site. These sites are very powerful in ranking keywords, especially low competitive keywords. So make sure you use all these type of backlinks all these type of sites to build backlinks to your site. All these sites are free and easy to get backlinks. You must first of all get backlinks from these sites, this site by the left, before you think of paying for backlinks. Then these ones are the paid backlinks. After you must have gotten easy to build backlinks, then before you move to guest posting, niche edit, and PBN. Now, the site we're going to use to get high quality backlinks for our site is Staffmeup.com. This site has a DA of 48, which is not a bad DA to do backlinks from, and the backlinks gotten from this site is a no-follow backlinks, but it still plays an important role in your link profile. At least in your link profile should consist of no follow and do follow backlinks. So when you get to this site, the first thing you need to do is to click on this, register on this site, then scroll down, click on register as a freelancer. Then you can register with your Facebook account, Google account, or your email account. So register on this platform and I will see you in the next page. Now after you've registered on this platform, this is what you're going to see. But in the previous registration, in the previous page, I discovered that you need to add your location and your mobile number. The location and your mobile number should be from the US, from the USA. So if you are putting number, just put any number that is of USA and the location. Type any word, any letter on that location and to bring out different locations in the US and select anyone. If you don't do that, you cannot register on this platform. Then you can now start setting up your profile and add your link on your profile. So I'm going to start by adding profile image. Then the next thing you need to do is to describe yourself in 140 characters or less. So I'm going to do this. So I've added a description about my site. So after that, I'm going to click on save. Now to get backlinks on this site, that is to add the link of your website on this site, go to your profile, click on it, then click on edit my profile. Then scroll down and click on edit. Under summary, click on edit. Then at this point you can add your website URL here, your LinkedIn profile URL here, or any other social media account you have. So I'm going to get that done and I'll see you in the next page. So after you've added it, click on save. Now I've added everything. Now you can see that I've added my LinkedIn, Vimeo, and my YouTube social media, and my YouTube links. Now let's preview how it looks like. Preview profile. Now this is how it looks like. And you can see this is a no follow backlinks. You can see it's a no follow backlinks. So the next thing you need to do after building backlinks for your site is to submit it for indexing. Backlinks can only be effective if it is indexed. So copy the URL of this website, copy the URL of this link, then submit it for indexing. If you don't know how to get backlinks indexed, check the description of this video. You see a link to the videos I've made on getting backlinks indexed fast on Google. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.